Okay guys, so I got cut off on the last video because I was talking too much. So I want to make sure you get this. So another example of a keystone species are going to be sharks. Also bees. Because if they're not around, then we're not eating people. Alright, so this is the section that should be a review for you guys. You were supposed to learn this in freshman biology. So these are what we call our symbiotic relationships. And you should recognize the words here. And so our faces kind of show you what's happening as well. So mutualism, they both benefit. Both A and B benefit. That's why they're happy. Commensalism is where one benefits and the other is unaffected. Now, unaffected does not mean that it is hurt. It just is kind of there. So a whale and a barnacle. So barnacles grow on the skin of whales. They filter feed, basically the leftover bits of food that the whale misses. But the whale's not hurt by this relationship. The whale's just kind of there, giving them a ride. The last one is parasitism. So obviously one benefits and one gets harmed. So you have an example of a dog and a tick. And all of these, they can be close and they can be long term. Okay? So hopefully you guys understand everything we've talked about in our population ecology, and after this we'll be moving into human populations.